What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2024 Chevy Trax unlocked, opened, and started if the key fob dies. The beginning part of this video, the opening and unlocking, will also apply if the battery in your Chevy Trax dies. So the Chevy Trax I'm going to be demonstrating on this video has a regular turnstile ignition. The key fob looks like this, and it has a blade attached to it like that. We're going to use this key blade to remove this cap on the driver's door. Now, if your Chevy Trax has a push button start ignition and your key fob looks like this, what you're going to need to use is the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. So you'll press this button on the side that my thumb's on, and your emergency key will pull out like that. So that's what you'll be using. Now, at the end of this video, I'll cover how to get your Chevy Trax started if your fob looks like this and you have a push button start ignition. But for the rest of this video, I'm going to be demonstrating with the regular turnstile ignition because that's what this vehicle actually uses. So as I said, I'm going to use this key blade to remove this cap from the driver's door, and there's a lock cylinder underneath it. So in your scenario, your vehicle would be locked, but I'm going to open this for just the beginning just so we can get a little bit of better angle in here. So what I need to do is get my key behind here, and I'm going to push on this tab right here. And this is pretty touchy. You have to be in here just the right angle. And you also want to be careful not to push up against the door and scratch it. So I'm going to put my key blade in there, and I'm going to come in here with this finger and help kind of guide that in there where it needs to be and push on that tab. And then as I do that, it's popping that cap out. So that kind of popped all the way off, but a lot of times it'll just kind of, the edge of it will just pop out like that, and then you can pull it off. And we'll go over how to put that back on in a minute. So now what I'm going to do is actually lock the vehicle. And I'll come in here and unlock the vehicle. And as soon as we open the vehicle, it's going to start beeping. And we're going to have about 10 to 15 seconds before the alarm is going to go off. How we're going to prevent the alarm from going off is we're going to get in and either turn the ignition to the on position or start it. Okay? So normally I would probably wait to put this cap on until the end, but let's just go ahead and take a quick look at how to put this back on now. So you kind of have two tabs, one here and one sticking this way. This is the edge I'm going to start in first. So tuck that tab in behind there and then just snap it down into place like that. All right, so let's give this a shot. Okay, so you can hear it beeping at me there. I'm going to get in, just turn it to the on position, or again, you can start it. Now, if you don't get to it in time and the alarm actually starts going off, as soon as you start it or put it in the on position, it will turn the alarm off. So now let's take a look if you have the push button start ignition fob. What you'll need to do is once you open the door, same thing, it's going to be beeping. You need to get in and place your key fob right here, like that. And there's also a diagram of this in your owner's manual. So you'll have your key fob sitting in there like that, and then you'll be able to start the vehicle or put it in the on position. So just as you normally would brake, start button to start it, and then it will either prevent or turn the alarm off. So I know there's kind of a lot of information throughout this video to take in. If you have any questions on it, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.